I don't know why. Oh, what? You say, oh. I think you too loyal. You say, I think you too loyal,
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. So I just woke up like an hour ago, and I just been cleaning my room and stuff like that. I really just wanted to like get my life together. My room still needs some cleaning to do, but it's like 67% better than what it was. So a lot of people have been asking me to do a hair update, and it's been a while. I haven't done my Afro G treatment in a while, so I figured I can get that done today. I can tell you like what I've been putting in my hair now, which Deva curl is not it. Matter of fact, I'm looking at a Deva curl product right now, and that's going in the garbage. So this needs to go. I have shampoo and conditioner. Deva curl needs to go. I feel like I've came to the conclusion that Deva curl was the major reason before why my hair was falling out so much, because I remember I wanted my curls so badly that I was like ODing with the Deva curl. And now that a lot of people are coming out explaining like their Deva curl madness and like all the bad stuff that has been happening, people have been coming out talking about how much Deva curl has damaged their hair is falling out and it's horrible. And I'm like, wow, I'm comparing how my hair was, and I'm just like, are you kidding me? The main like collection of the Deva curl is the no poo collection that I heard was like the most damaging, and that's literally the one that I have.
What?
Like, what are the freaking odds of that? Of course, like only with my luck and my hair journey, I would be the one to use the one that's like making your hair fall out. So no more Deva curl until they figure out what the heck is going on. I am not touching a Deva curl product. I'm throwing my products away. This gel being one of them, my no poo shampoo, my conditioner, my scalp thingy that I have. Like now, Deva curl, you are cut off, you are done. I'm over you. I'm looking at these videos of people and I'm just like, wow, the freaking struggle that they're going through, and they're coming out and explaining. I'm just like, wow, I went through all of this but not thinking that I had anything to do with Deva curl. I know that I did do a lot of damage to my hair with the bleach, but there was a point in time when I was not using Deva curl at all, because remember, I only started using Deva curl because I wanted my curls to come back. But the whole time that I was blonde in the beginning, really blonde at that, not like yellow blonde, I was actually really almost white blonde, so like almost a platinum. And the lady who was doing my hair was not falling out at all. I was getting my trims and stuff like that. My hair wasn't falling out. The only thing is that it was losing the curl. So it wasn't falling out, but my curls were falling, they were dropping, and I just was completely not fully losing my curl. As my hair was growing, the curls at the bottom, they just were not curling. So that's when I went to Deva curl, and I figured, you know what? Deva curl's gonna freaking save my hair, and it's just gonna be wonders and magical, and that's just not the case. It just was not happening. The whole time I was just thinking that it was the bleach, but now that I think back and I'm watching everyone, I'm just like, this has to be a joke. Like, this is a nightmare. So basically what Deva curl is telling me is that I could have still been blonde right now. Like, my hair would have been gorgeous and like platinum. Not that curly, but it would have been the color that I miss. But anyways, that's that on that. I'm just so annoyed and it just sucks. So as of right now, I'm gonna do 2 different videos. I'm gonna cut this one off, and I'm gonna make my Afro G video in the meantime, because a lot of people are asking me to do that treatment again. But after that, I'll jump right back into this one, and I'll just show you like how I actually do my curly hair routine. So be right back. First of all, you don't want your curls looking gross and like really dusty. It's not gonna look cute, and it's just not gonna curl right if you have a bunch of knots in your hair. So of course you just have to make sure everything is out, which I didn't even have knots honestly after this treatment. If you wanna, oh my god, it was spilling all over the floor. Cute. Now I know why my room smelled. If you guys want to see my video on my Afro G treatment and how I've just been reviving my curls and everything like that, because my hair has been like super damaged for a very long time, I'm gonna have that video linked down below. Not only did I use that, but I used this shampoo and conditioner. So the first product that I've been using lately, which honestly this is almost done, that's how much I've been using it. This is the second one that I've went through, but honestly it took me a year, but it was because I was like on and off of using it. So this is the Eden Body Works. It says almond marshmallow hydration serum. Smooth out frayed hairs, split ends, nourishes dry brittle hair. My ends, that's my ends. Used to protect hair against daily pollutants and heat damage. Promotes shine, silicone free. Why did I say silicone like that? Promotes shine, it's silicone free, and it's lightweight. So you apply to wet or dry hair and then you style as necessary. So me, I don't curl my hair unless my hair is wet first. So I use like an amount like this. Put my hair upside down and just run it mainly through the ends. And then the excess, I just go up like this to get a little bit of the front. So now to start curling, I went back to this because like I said, no more Deva curl. So I'm back to this. I've used it before. I don't know how to pronounce this. Blah, blah, blah. Curl sealer. So this is what it looks like. Let me just get a little bit closer. So it is a gel and it looks like this. So this is cruelty free and paraben free. I don't know if it has alcohol. I know you're not supposed to use, when you have curly hair, you're not supposed to like use products that have alcohol in it, but what's worse than using Deva curl? Nah, I'm gonna stop talking crap about Deva curl only because I don't know, I'm just gonna stop. I put the gel on my fingers and start like combing my hair out. For some reason this gets really sticky really quickly, so most of the times I do go in and re-add a little bit of water. Start running it through and crunching it as you go. So that's what I run my fingers through and then I crunch. Alright, so it started to stiffen up like I said it normally does, so I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of spray, and it just has water in this. Lately, as my hair has been growing, the curls in the front, I don't know if it's because like once I straighten my hair, which I haven't straightened in a long time, I go and I straighten it for my birthday and I swear like my curls in the front, they dropped a little bit. So I've been really re-wetting the front. So I have product in my hair right now. I just re-wet it a little bit and it looks super duper straight. I take a little bit of that gel and I take little sections and I start finger coiling it. Which is just helping it out a little bit, and it starts to look like this. So all you're doing is taking a piece of the hair, combing it through with your finger, and starting from the bottom, and I go up. And I just start twisting, and then eventually I just let it go. So I have this one. You don't want it to get stuck on your finger, so you want to lightly wrap it around your finger, because then you're not going to be able to let it go. So you just keep doing that. And then I just let it go. See, I just did it too tight and it's like a little bit stuck. So my curls right there, they're super curly. They're not as defined as this is right now. But so once you have this section, you just do this. You crunch it up like you did with the rest of your hair. If you guys want to stay away from alcohol products like you're supposed to do, I would stay away from this because apparently this is flammable, so I'm assuming it has like a lot of alcohol in it. But whatever, I always use this, so I'm just being honest as to what I use. This is the Marc Anthony True Professional Strictly Curls. It is the curl enhancing styling foam. Extra hold, transform unruly frizzy hair into full shiny manageable curls with silk protein and vitamin E. Don't know how true that is, but that's what the package says, so are we believing it, or I don't know. So with mousse, you already know mousse comes out a lot and it gets bigger. That literally looks like shit. Okay, anyway, so I'm just gonna place this all over my head. So I'm just, of course, you already know how to put mousse in your hair. You just literally put it everywhere. But I kid you not, this enhances my curls on another freaking level. Alright, so I guess the only thing that I'm not canceling from Deva Curl is their diffuser, and that's because it works so freaking well. And I'm just assuming it's the hand, because this is just a regular blow dryer and then you have the hand. So as you can see, you have like a whole bunch of holes throughout the hand. So it's not only just, you know, when you have a blow dryer, it's only gonna blow just that one part that you if you have just a blow dryer like this, you're just facing that one part, only that part is drying. Now since I have this, which by the way you can buy this separately, together this is very expensive, but I did buy this for a gift for someone and it was about $50 before tax, I think. So what's really good about this is that it's getting all parts of the curl, so we're not canceling this just yet. When I start to blow dry, I just really go in here. I try to get the scalp first just because that takes the longest to dry on my hair. The ends usually dry super quick. And then I just go like this as if it's my hand, like if I'm still crunching it. And that's what we're gonna do. Be right back. So I just paused for a second. It is 6:20. I started at 6:13, so it's only been 7 minutes and my hair has dried about like 60%. I still have like another 40% to go, but this is what it's looking like so far. I still gotta go back into the scalp because like I said, that's the part that takes forever. Alright, so it's been like 35 minutes, and if I was to dry my hair like air dry, it would take an hour or probably even more than that. I think this time around I put way too much of the mousse. I usually don't put that much, and I could see that my hair is a little bit more on the crunchy side instead of like the more natural. So depending on how you like your hair, some people do like that like really crunchy and what's the word I'm looking, like defined look, and me, I like that, but I would like to have that without that hard feeling, like that stiff feeling. But regardless, I do like the way that my curls came out. I'm just going in with the pick. And picking it out just a little bit. The bottom of my hair is always like super flat. It's just always been that way. My mother's hair is pretty much like, it has like a natural wave to it. It's not curly at all, but it's not pin straight. It has like a beautiful wave, which I don't have. The hair that I have that's under here is more of her hair, and then like the rest of my hair, like the curly, is more of my aunt's hair, which is my dad's sister, and I got most of my freaking features from her, honestly. But yeah, so I just pick it out for like maybe like a good 2 minutes until I feel like it's big enough. I don't like flat hair. I like really huge hair, and I'm kind of sad that I don't have my bangs anymore, for the simple fact that my hair is growing out so much that it's so long, so I can't even see. So I'm not even gonna be able to have my hair like that unless a trick that I used to do is put bobby pins, and then I'll bobby pin my hair up like this, and I'll place bobby pins, and then I'll have bangs again. I didn't even show you the back of my hair, so this is the back. A lot of volume. I do feel like I have a lot more volume when I don't put so much mousse. I'm like so upset that I have a lot of mousse in my hair, but it's so cute. Anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. Also, don't forget to follow me on all social media. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and you also can follow me on Snapchat. Everything's gonna be linked in the description below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.